Yeah, this is the Old Tram Road. Oh yeah, we're gonna have a look on the back, just on this corner. Some old bloody hell, it's all from mine carts. Holy shit. Ah, it's a shame somebody's breaking this shit back, man. Look at this. Ah, that's quite cool, eh? Wow, what is this place? It's kind of weird. Looks cool, eh? Excuse me, what is this place?
Sorry?
What is this place?
What is?
Yeah.
This area is called the Docks.
No, I mean this actual...
This is just an apartment building and a garage.
Is it?
Yes.
That's kind of cool, right? This is the little cafe on the cut. I've actually been in there. It's a nice little cafe.
Right, fella.
Yeah.
Want to stop recording?
Why?
You're pointing the camera at me, mate. I don't like it. You haven't got my permission to record me.
Yeah, it's a public place. It's a public place, mate.
It's public place, mate. It's private property.
Pardon?
Property, mate.
It's public.
It's private property, buddy.
Look at all the people walking around.
Property, mate. I don't want you killing me, and I don't think they want you killing them, mate. Sorry about that.
Public place, mate.
Mate, I told you to turn the camera off.
It's a public place, mate. Public access. That's kind of cool. I love the old wood on these buildings. This architecture actually looks quite decent.
That's residential as well, mate. That's people's houses. You can't be recording people's houses.
Well, I'm looking at the architecture, mate. I've just been talking about this stuff.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It's my home city, do you mind?
Yeah, I've got a nice one male.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. We got this Muppet security guard chasing me down now. Christ, on a bike. There's some more docks, buildings. Can you stop following me? No! Got a lot of historical interest in this place. Crying out loud. Fucking idiot. Just need to get on my fucking nerves, man. You know. What is this thing? It's another old something. Yeah, jog on, mate. Not you, the security guard. This is she's 5 tons of chain of weight. Another old school crane, look. That's quite cool, isn't it, eh? Wonder how old that thing is. The MI Engineers Department, 1902. There you go. That's how old that thing is. I mean, you know, can't record some of his house. Look, I can look into the fucking windows, isn't it? Jesus. Yeah, you can't stop me recording around here. Public fucking place, mate. Christ on a bike. Right, you might have people that are walking around there and running and jogging, you know, private property. There's Ebble Light, that's the Canal River chest boat. Don't want to go up against that, that's pretty bloody quick, that thing. Oh, you can't. What is this though? What the hell is this? This wasn't here last time I came down, I can tell you that. This is a new addition. So, you know, even, I haven't been here for a few months, but seriously, when I came down here, this wasn't even here. Wow. What is this, metal? Yeah, that's solid metal, steel. Oh, wow. But yeah, this is the this is Keys. Got an old museum down here. Look what looks like a little grunt thing. Look at that. Wow. This is kind of cool. And yes, I knew this was here. This has been here for quite a little while now, you know. But yeah, how cool is that? I can't even see with this thing. Huh. It's got some flary things coming out the back of it, and that little machine gun thing there. It's quite a formidable looking beastie. You know what I mean? Wow. I haven't seen anything like this. This, yeah, is a viewer, an angled viewer, so when you look up at it, it actually field the view from the sides. And it had one there as well, right, to look out at the front, or you could open this hatch. That's the vent. But yeah, I wonder what engine this has got in. It's exhaust. But yeah, a little hatch thing there as well. But yeah, wow, look at this. Got all old school machine guns and stuff. Wow. That's quite cool. I'm going the wrong way. Yeah, I just walked away from that security guard because, you know, he was acting like a bit of a dick. You know, these people will walk down the street and a Google van will go past and recording them, right, but they don't want you recording them. It's a bit of a joke, really. Right, the prison is down there, I think. That's where the big CD rack is, I think. So it's just on the bottom of this hill, I reckon. That's what he said. Got a big power station there. This is the old city flour mill, built in 1850, look. Wow. Huge big flour mill. Look at all these new builds there. God, horrible. That's the old flour mill, AD 1850. Looks like flats now. Yeah. Old substation, May 1899, look. Yeah, exactly.